Today's video will provide an overview of how basic sales orders will be processed within our new encryption-based retail solution at AI22023179. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to some of the members of the AI team.
Hi, I'm Ahmad, the sales manager. My job is to ensure that all our customers have access to the products and services that they need when they need them.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm the production planner. I ensure that AIERP's manufacturing facility operates as efficiently and effectively as possible. Let us show you how our new ERP system will help streamline all our processes.
Good afternoon, Ahmad. This is Mr. Tan from Johor Construction. I have a big, important job that starts next month, so I need help with procuring 2,000 safety helmets. Are you able to deliver these for me within 2 weeks?
Mr. Tan, nice to hear from you. You need 2,000 helmets before next month ends. Let me look up our inventory and see what we have.
I hope you have enough in stock. My previous supplier's shipment was late, and it cost me so much money and lost us a lot of respect in the business community.
I completely understand, Mr. Tan.
Now let's take a few moments to understand how Ahmad managed orders before implementing an ERP system.
Before our ERP system, life was chaotic. I had to use emails and spreadsheets to track orders, so I never had good visibility on stock or times we could fulfill orders.
When I was utilizing Excel for production scheduling, we dealt with a number of inefficiencies, including regular bottlenecks, idle machinery, and inconsistent bills of materials. We experienced frequent stock outages leading to late deliveries and disgruntled customers. We needed a solution.
As a result, they were experiencing issues with frequent stock outs, late orders, and customers not being satisfied. There needed to be an improvement in the process of order fulfillment.
Ahmad, I really need this order on time. Can you deliver?
Mr. Tan, I understand your frustration. Let me take a look on our new ERP system. I'm going to place your order into the system. The system checks the stock and what we currently have in inventory. And it looks like we have 500 helmets in stock. Therefore, we will need to manufacture 1,500 helmets for you.
Will you be able to produce them in time for me?
The system shows that it will take about 10 days to manufacture and 4 days to ship. Therefore, you will receive the helmets on time.
That's awesome. This is what I was hoping for.
And the great news is, you'll get an email confirmation with details included. It will also inform you of any changes.
This is an excellent approach, Ahmad. I'm more confident now. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Tan. I will take personal responsibility for this project and will contact our production planner as soon as I can.
I've received the production requirement from Ahmad's system, so it's time to start my production planning. The first step is creating a master production schedule. Now let's setting up the production schedule for 1,500 helmets. The system shows me the machine capacity and availability of work centers. No more bottlenecks.
Next comes to MRP. The system computes exactly what materials we will need for the manufacture of our product.
Let me demonstrate how the MRP system works. The bill of materials indicates that 800 kilograms of ABS plastic will be required for the production of 1,500 helmets. The system then references the beginning inventory and finds there are currently 300 kilograms in stock. The remaining quantity needed after accounting for a safety stock of 100 kilograms will be 400 kilograms. Watch how the system generates a purchase requisition for the 400 kilograms of ABS plastic automatically. Our purchase requisition becomes a purchase order in our procurement system. Then we send the PO to the vendor we have approved to use. The procurement system keeps track of the vendor's performance for lead time, quality, and price, so we can ensure that all of the vendors we deal with are the best available. When we receive the materials, we post a goods receipt into the procurement system. Watch what happens now. When we scan the barcode, the item's inventory level gets updated in real time. We have 700 kilos of ABS plastic now. This automatically generates a quality control report and creates the required accounting entries as well. Our procurement system has a fully integrated approach. The production order is ready for release once all the materials are present. Once the system releases the processing order, materials will be automatically allocated from the warehouse. Manufacturing equipment will be rescheduled according to the MPS and assigned to each operator via tablet on the shop floor. Look at the progress bar. We're tracking production in real time. The system tracks the entire production cycle, from injection molding to assembly to final quality check. Production has now officially completed.
I can see where we are in the process and how long it takes without having to guess where we stand with respect to order completion.
The order settlement for the production is achieved.
The inventory for finished products has been updated. The delivery team has begun preparing for the shipment. Also, look at this. The invoice is now being created. Additionally, the system has posted every financial transaction, which includes the recognized amount of revenue, updated accounts receivable, and calculated amounts for cost of goods sold. Everything happened automatically.
Thank you for delivering my helmets to me exactly when you said you would. You have provided me with the best service from any supplier.
Thank you, Mr. Tan. The ERP system made it all possible.
I'll be ordering from you again in the future, since you have earned my trust.
I understand that you think the ERP system only processes orders, but I would like to show you some of its more advanced functions.
What do you mean?
We can run what-if scenarios. For example, what if raw material costs increase by 15%? Or what if sales volume drops by 20%? The ERP system is also able to calculate break-even points and profit margins through the use of cost-volume profit analysis. We can even create dynamic pricing strategies based on production costs.
Wow, this will allow us to be proactive as opposed to reactive.
Look at this. Automated profit alerts. If operational KP is like overtime costs or excess inventory fees exceed thresholds, the system alerts us. We can take corrective action immediately.
So we can take corrective action before these become a problem.
Exactly. This is why we implemented an ERP system. It is not just about processing orders, it's about using the data from the ERP system to make better strategic decisions that maximize profitability.
The journey is complete. Mr. Tan's order was delivered on time. Let's review the end-to-end process. The journey started with sales management, moving into forecast/sales and operations planning, the demand for the product, the master production schedule, material requirements planning, procurement, manufacturing execution, and ending with order settlement.
All of our processes are integrated together. We will no longer have to send emails back and forth, use multiple spreadsheets, and will no longer experience delayed orders.
We have visibility across the entire organization. Sales, production, procurement, finance, everyone works from the same data.
I see the benefit of these systems. You provide a service that is professional, efficient, and delivered on time every single time.